Hi, this is Decor Queen, and I hope my all viewers will be fine. Today, I show you this beautiful small entrance hallway, and it's a front entrance. Usually, it's a front entrance of a small flats. The flats who are based on 2 or 3 bedrooms. So this is we can say that this is an entrance, and also we use this type of decoration in hallway. So you, as you can see that the shoe rack, so it's mean it's a front door and front entrance decor, and in which I have used this long beautiful mirror, and this mirror is IKEA. I will post some links of this beautiful decor, and you can see that I have been used this a beautiful mirror, and then afterward I have used, and then also you can see that this is a beautiful candles, and I have used two type of candles. One is LED lantern, and one is two candle holders, and these type of are really saying to you, these candle holders make illuminate my entrance, and I love this candle holders, and this is LED lantern. And then I also add some plants, and this give me a very nice green decor, and because everything's white, and then I give with the green touch. Then I also use this a white fur, and then I put a round table at the side of the mirror, and then I put some candle holder, and then I use some flowers, and then I use green vase, and most of thing I purchased from the Amazon, and then arrange all together, and this makes a so good view of entrance, and whoever come in my homes and said, oh, it's looking so amazing, it's a small entrance and with a beautiful decor, and I love this view, and I hope you will also like this view, and I will put all the links where I was buy all the things like this mirror, this fur, this candle holder, this plants, this LED lantern, which give amazing illuminating function. And this is a round mirror, it's a totally mirror table, and which give us very good view. And you can see that in mirror I have a shoe rack in front of the door. This is a shoe rack from the IKEA, and the plants also I purchased from the Amazon. So I hope you will like my all these explanations and all these decorations, and if you liked to show something, you can ask me in my messages if you want which type of decor you want to see. You can comment me in my messages, and I will show you whichever you want. And okay, thank you so much my YouTube friends, I hope you will like this decor, and if you like this, please comment me, and the next time I will come with my new video. Okay, bye bye, thank you so much, love you all.